It is Tech Tuesday, and we're talking about cloud computing now. IntraLinks is a cloud services provider, and among its clients, 50 of the biggest global banks, 25 of the largest law firms. The company is looking to expand into China. Here to tell us more broadly the strategy behind the company's moves is CEO Andrew Damico. Thank you for coming in today. Cloud computing is in and of itself sort of a nebulous term,
Sure.
but you focus in trying to help confidential information exchange stay that way.
Correct. We've been in business now for 13 years, and we've really focused on helping our corporate clients exchange critical information in a secure, compliant, and auditable fashion using the cloud.
And that's sort of one of the big fears of cloud is if it's up there and it's not here, who else can access it?
Absolutely.
So where are you seeing the most industry interest in using this? We referenced banks, but healthcare, other industries, where are you seeing the most opportunity?
Sure, the banking industry was some of the areas where we had early success. The type of material that's often exchanged in sensitive M&A transactions and loan syndications, and that's where we really built our trusted brand. And since then, we've started to look at other industries and other business processes where information needs to be exchanged predominantly outside the firewall in a secure, compliant, and audible fashion. Life sciences is a great example of an industry where we've seen good uptake.
Good uptake. You've seen, what, 30% of your revenue growth coming from Asia.
30% of our revenue outside of the U.S., a smaller portion from Asia.
Got it. So of the international, 30% of it from Asia. But where is this uptick that you're talking about? Is mostly that domestic?
Sure. The uptick is a combination of geographic expansion. We do business now in over 62 countries across 4,500 customers. But the broader adoption of IntraLinks is also relative to the different industries that we're focusing on. Life sciences, energy and utilities, the legal industry. These are all areas where we're seeing adoption not only in the U.S., but outside the U.S. as well.
So it took you three tries before you did succeed in going public.
That's correct.
What was behind that? I mean, are you feeling like not only is the concept of the company understood, I feel like cloud computing is kind of a new term for the retail investor.
Sure.
And how are you feeling about the market outlook right now?
Well, I think we've got a great business model. We've been doing the same thing now for 14 years. We've grown the business. We're now one of the fastest growing SaaS providers out there, cloud computing providers. We're a leader in our space, and we've got great margins. And so I think all of those make for a strong public company offering.
Well, you were saying to me in the break when we were talking about tablets, the issue with Flash adaptation on the Apple products is a challenge for you. That's not why your company wouldn't go with that product because of it.
Sure. Today we're a web-based application like most cloud-based applications, and the predominant user interface is a web browser. Flash gives us the most flexibility in terms of giving our users a great experience and a simple experience. And so because Steve Jobs hasn't supported Flash yet on the iPod or iPad, though I hear it's up and coming, it's not been a device that we've built for yet. Yeah,
but you're not running out with a Christmas list with RIM's tablet on it quite yet.
We're very much platform agnostic. Whatever our customers want to use to access IntraLinks, whether it's a Xerox copier, a web browser, an SAP application, we really want to be a pervasive service that can be accessed anywhere, anytime.
Well, you're new to the markets. Would you be determined to stay independent as a public company? We're talking about a lot of acquisition in the tech space these days.
Sure. I would say that we've got a great growth opportunity in front of us. This is a $9 billion market that we're addressing. We're still relatively small and greenfield, and so I think we have plenty of runway ahead of us.
All right. We're going to keep tabs on you and track your progress. Thanks for coming in.